Hey guys, my name is Nick Rohs. I'm a thoracic medical oncologist and assistant professor at the Mount Sinai Blavatnik Chelsea Cancer Center in Chelsea, New York City. As I mentioned, I'm a thoracic oncology specialist, so lung cancer, neuroendocrine tumors of the chest, and other sort of esophagogastric tumors. And I'm here today to talk to you about a clinical trials session that we're going to be having very shortly to review sort of the risks, benefits, and options that are open to you with clinical trials. Sure. So the clinical trial workshop is really to try and help our patients and their loved ones understand what clinical trials are, what they can and can't offer you, and really sort of answer some of the high yield questions about clinical trials because it's not something that's often spoken about in the community. And I feel like there's some misunderstandings of what clinical trials are and how they can help us. So hopefully this workshop will give you guys access to experts to talk about the clinical trials and really understand what they are and how we can help you. So clinical trials are critical in virtually every medical advance that we've made today. Many of the treatments that are available to you right now came from clinical trials. And really what clinical trials are is we ask a scientific or medical question that we think will help, the results or answers will help care for our patients. And we put together a study to answer that question. So clinical trials really help us make advances in medicine. So a new treatment, a new use of a treatment, understanding the safety, but also clinical trials can help us understand patient effects of treatments and ways that we can better support patients through care. So there's many different ways that clinical trials can take form, but the baseline is that they're to help advance science, medicine, and caring for people.